Der wunderliche Mann. That's me. And this turn of a phrase comes from no less than the brothers Jacob and William Grimm, who put out their book German Legends some 202 years ago. And the Wunderlicher Mann is also our selfie picture here in Hameln. You lay on your back adjacent to the Wunderlicher Mann and you take a picture from top to bottom, take the text along with it and post it on the Facebook page or as a hashtag on any given system you like as Wunderlicher Mann, and you are intensely invited to join me. Laying on my back here with other people, people from film and television and everyone. Ah, the bells play and they're playing my song. And they're playing my song now for a reason. Because it is not only the 26th of June in 1284, tomorrow in 735 years ago, but also the 5th hour of the day that the piper leaves Hameln. You're looking skeptical. The 5th hour of the day, dear friends. In the Middle Ages, we only had sundials. Up there is one of them. And the 5th sunny hour of the day is for you modern people 11 o'clock. Got it? Yeah. So we have a date, we have a time, we have a place where it happened. Witnesses, it's all a big detective story. And the bells play my song in the 5th hour of the day. This is the time that the piper left Hameln. But he was seen by an eyewitness. And you don't notice it right away. But I can tell you how. We're talking about this building, the heart of Hameln, the thing the people of Hameln really think is incredibly important. Yeah? And this building is Renaissance architecture. Renaissance is that time period around Leonardo da Vinci, Galileo, Christopher Columbus, Martin Luther. And the people of Hameln have money to burn, but there's no Mercedes-Benz automobiles and cellular telephone, and so they build houses. And when they're finished building their houses, they throw their money together to build the Hochzeitshaus, a festival hall for high times. And the Hochzeitshaus is the holy number 3 involved here. You know about the Father and the Son and the Holy Ghost, and the Germans say all good things come in threes, and a table with 3 legs remains standing, a ladder only has 2, and it falls over without a wall. Which is why there are 3 entranceways. You see the city scales, the city apothecary, and the city wine shop. You see lines of 3s going through the building that are ledges or cut stones. You see 3 diagonal houses on the roof, Zwerchhäuser, Querhäuser, that accentuate the doors, and the doorways are also accentuated by a carved in stone inscription above each and every doorway. And now, finally, the hobby detective who has seen all 778 episodes of CSI knows exactly what paradox and anomaly I'm talking about here. You missed out one on CSI Houston, didn't you? Mm-hmm. There are 3 entranceways, but there are 4 inscriptions. And if 3 is a holy number, 4 can only be an unholy number, and that's the way it is in Japan and China, where the number 4 is death. Number 4, death, right? You're not from Japan and China. Okay, he can't answer that question. Yeah. And so, if it means death, and there's no door there, because the mountain has closed over our children. This is exactly what we wanted to investigate. We need to have a look at this.